Hey guys, welcome back to Kara's Cakes. This week I have a pretty big order due. It's a 3-tier cake, a 3-tier vanilla cake, and 7 dozen red velvet cupcakes. So I'm just going to take you along with me and show you what I do. I took the afternoon off work. It's 20 to 2 right now. So I just cleaned up the kitchen a little bit, and I have the computer set up so I can watch some YouTube videos and my planner there, and I have the ovens preheated, so I'm going to get started with the vanilla cake. So this will be the top tier of the wedding cake. This is the middle tier. This is part of the bottom tier, and then the other part is still in the oven there, just about finished. And I have some vanilla cupcakes extra with the leftover batter. I'm just heating up the butter for the red velvet cake. So I have some ingredients measured over here, and my red food coloring ready. Morning guys, it's Friday. I took a vacation day from work today. I am going to decorate the 3-tier wedding cake. I have all my cakes over here and some red velvet cupcakes as well. So I have to do another single batch of red velvet today. I have to build the boxes for all the cupcakes in the cake and decorate and stack up the 3-tier cake along with all of the cupcakes. Okay, so it's much later now. I forgot to film me crumb coating the cakes, but I'll just put them in here and show you. The bottom tier, this is the middle, and this is the top tier. I have another batch of buttercream going here, and then that will hopefully be enough to do the rest of the cake.
Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope, cause you just don't care. House, feel. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that wheel, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. no, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to Warren, my granny, Justice, and Crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your step. Get your soul in line, chasing after checks. If you ain't inclined to say what's on your mind, please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why rap sheet the only place we fit it in. Yeah, you can go to court or you go on that court. You do not.
Okay guys, it's Saturday and I have to deliver that 3-tier cake. I also have the cupcakes here ready to go, and my friend Jenna is going to drive me to drop the cake off. If you saw my last video where I delivered the big 3-tier cake, she drove me as well. I didn't have it in a box last time because the box just made it kind of wobbly, but it's raining right now, so I think I'm gonna have to try and put it in a box. So that's what I'm gonna do. I couldn't get the flowers the day before to put on the cake, so the bride said that the flowers will be at the venue when I get there, and then I'll put the flowers in then, and I will try to film that. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I will try. Again, I take this little bag of stuff with me just in case. This is buttercream, and then I have a cake scraper and a palette knife. I have some paper towel, and then this has some wet paper towel in it, and then I do have a skewer, and I use that to poke a hole in the cake to put the flowers in, and I have some toothpicks here, and I sometimes use those to put the little flowers in. And now that I'm thinking of it, I should put a thing of floral tape in there too. So I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna use that to wrap the flower stems before I put them in the cake. So that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. If you have any suggestions on what I can film for next week's video or the weeks to come, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching.
'Cause my time